Hello, everyone. My name is Mark Fidelman. Today, I'm going to talk about a B2B video sales funnel. Now, I know just shooting video is difficult enough, and when you add a funnel to it, that can make it extremely difficult to put together and put together well. But I'm going to kind of walk you through how you do that pretty quickly at a high level, okay? So we were combining video with a funnel, and this is for B2B companies. And I'm going to highlight 4 types of videos that kind of walk you through each of these areas. The first is the top of funnel sales video. Now, I know if you've got hundreds or thousands of prospects, this is a very difficult thing to ask your salespeople to do, but they could share a couple of different videos. One is kind of a general intro video where they show or share their name and some personal facts and some product benefits, and invite those viewers to download something or to give them a call. So they have an idea of the salesperson that they're dealing with right off the bat. You can embed those in emails. I should say, they can invite them to a middle funnel evaluation sales video. And these are videos that are directly about your company or your product or a service that you have. This is right in the middle that demonstrates your product and how it solves your potential customers' pain points. And then number 3, and it's somewhere between the middle and the bottom of the funnel, I like to show customer testimonial videos. And according to Bazaar's Voice Conversational Index, prospects who see reviews on a product page are 58% more likely to convert, and they get 62% higher revenue as a result of their first order. So something to think about. Why? Because if you see other customers, especially on video, that have had a good success or have had good success with your technology, your product, your service, they're much more likely to want to work with you because Sally over at 3M said working with you was a fantastic experience. And then lastly, not many companies do this, but I recommend you have your support team do a video explaining how to reach them, what your response times are, what your escalation procedures are. And I would do this in kind of a fun, funny way if you can, because you want to show that, hey, once I sign up for this company, I'm going to be met with a support team that I want to work with, and they're going to take care of me. So those are the 4 videos I recommend that you do. Of course, there's many more, especially at the top of the funnel, but these 4 should be in everyone's tool belt.